stock market. Let's wait for a few people to join up the live. And we'll be going over the gold price and just a general market update today. And then remember, later we're going to come back for a live training session, a live workout. That'll be later at around maybe 5 o'clock today. All right, looks like no one's going to be joining up. We'll get right into it. So, first, the stock markets. The Dow is down 2.36 points. S&P 500 is up 6, and the NASDAQ is up 38 points. Trump was trying to fire the Fed governor today. I guess we'll see how that goes. But many stocks today are doing well. Check out USAU. USAU. All right, this is one of my stocks that is on the Patreon. I said this one was going to do pretty well. So it's doing really well. So if you want to get the full list, go to the Patreon. And I just keep telling you, sooner than later. Join sooner than later. That's what I've been saying for the past year, and the stocks have been going up consistently. So the price of gold is up $19.20. That's basically what we have mostly is gold stocks, silver miners, and some other stocks that we're into, of course, on this channel. But yes, look up USAU. And another one for you is AG, First Majestic, okay? And today I actually bought a stock to put into my Roth IRA. I bought a stock called Petro Brazil, PBR. So this is my strategy with my Roth IRA. I'm loading up on dividend stocks. Doing great today. Another stock that I'm loading up on is called TeraWulf, WULF. This one is up 3% today. It's up to $9.23. The stock ticker is WULF, TeraWulf. Doing very, very well. Another one that's doing good is called Evolve, EVLV. Check that one out. It's up to $8.31. $8.31. So, and that one keeps going higher and higher and higher. And it may peak out at some point. It may peak out. Where are you from? From the U.S. We're talking about stocks today and cryptocurrencies. So let's just do that. Let's get into the cryptocurrencies. I just bought a new crypto today, guys. If you guys stick around at the end, I'll tell you what I bought. No, it's called, we just lost 4 people. Now I'm actually not going to tell you because 4 people just left. So I'm not actually going to tell you what I just bought today. Unless we get back up to 10 people. Let's get back up there. Help share this, guys. Share this video. Let's get up to 10 people. And then I'll tell you. Ooh, yeah. This one is looking good. It just dropped a lot. That's why I'm looking at it. Oftentimes, I will go on Coinbase and I'll see what are the biggest losers. Which cryptocurrencies are losing the most money. And I'll take a look at those. I'll look at the chart and then I'll buy them. And when the melt up happens, when Bitcoin goes to 145 or 150 by the end of the year, the cryptos that are down the most are going to be up the most. So I guess I'm not going to tell you that one. But it's a good crypto, though. It's really good. I'll leave that for the Patreon members. I'll tell them. Gold is up $19.30 already. $3,385. Pretty good. But the big problem is silver. Gold's up, but silver's not really doing anything. Yeah, silver is at $38.55. Okay. So there's lots of good silver stocks on my Patreon. It's $10 a month. Platinum today is flat. It hasn't moved. Platinum hasn't done anything. Wow, that sucks. I wish the days could come back where platinum was like $900. Told you guys platinum was going to go up. You didn't believe me, but here we are. Platinum's over $1,300. It went up over $400 like right after I told you guys to buy platinum. I was even showing you my platinum bars. I was like, guys, you got to buy it. Hurry up. And here we are today. Nobody listened. Did any of you guys buy platinum? When I told you guys to buy platinum, did any of you buy it? Guaranteed no one's going to say nothing. Nobody bought it. Guys, you got to take risk if you want to make money, all right? Got to take high risk for high reward. Are you trans? No. No. I just bought options for 2 stocks. I'm very excited about them. And that's only going to be for the Patreon members, okay? Not financial advice. But I spent $500 yesterday, and then I spent about $300 today on some option calls. The way to make the most money is in options. Gives you the most leverage. And then you've got, of course, leveraged ETFs and things like that. We'll just wait for YouTube to do its thing and get a few more people in here, and we'll continue. We'll continue. We will continue. All right, come on, YouTube. YouTube's going to do its thing. I don't know how it does it, but it works as magic, and then more people will join up soon. I'm sure of it. I'm certain. All right, guys, come on, let's get it.
Again. So you got 1980. He died in what, 2002? So you know what I mean. You've got all those years later. You can't say the steroids he took back then suddenly killed him all those years later. That's, to me, like, improbable, you know?
Yeah, and he did it because of all his injuries, of course. He also didn't train so much or didn't train at all. And
he was using his heavy-duty tube routine. I asked John Little, he said last time he saw him training, he was using his own routines. Yeah. So even though he'd done too much in his prime, which he readily admitted, he done less towards the end as he understood. So here's someone with even better genetics than me and you combined, and he was taking his own medicine. You know what I mean? So,
but he was
need less.
But did he, on his later age, was on some testosterone replacement treatment, or because when he was no, yeah, and I think maybe
these freaking guys. Yeah, we actually. I'm trying to let YouTube do its thing and get more viewers for us, but it's good to see you, Jesus. Yeah, we got doing the best I can, but I'll check out the price of Pepe for us. Pepe. I saw that Pepe is it's trending. Pepe is still very popular. Why would it not be, you know? It's very, very popular. It says that there's 480,000 holders of Pepe. 480,000 holders, if that's true. That's a lot of people that hold Pepe. And it's down 4010. That's a nice round number. If we 5x from here, we'll be at 405. And if we 10x, we'll be at 301. So I'm a big believer that both Pepe and Shiba Inu could both drop a 0. And it could happen sooner than many people think. I certainly hope so. And I think many of you agree. Yeah, we're getting nothing in this video. Pepe is a meme. Guess who's into memes? Young people. Guess who's buying Pepe? Young kids. Yeah. Yep, I know. I'm buying it too. There's a lot of young kids that are buying it, that are following like people like Oscar Ramos, and a lot of people are buying it. That's exactly why I was buying XRP, because everyone was talking about it, and a lot of people were buying it at 50 cents. So I'm like, I'll buy some too. I mean, I don't know much about Pepe other than it's cheap. It's a competitor for Shiba Inu. The supply is 420 trillion, which is less than Shiba Inu. Market cap is 4.21 billion, which is actually catching up to Shiba Inu. So Pepe is becoming really big. Yeah, it's not what you like, it's what's popular. I like silver, but silver's not really moving that fast. It's finally starting to move, but just not moving that much. It's just a meme token, no value, nothing. But if it makes money in it, yeah, that's what I think too. There's nothing to know about it. It's just a meme, and who cares? I mean, there could be some developments. There could be some news regarding Pepe, but it's just a meme. The news is going to be centered around the price, you know? Oh, the price is up. This is good. It's going to go higher. It's not centered around news. You know, I don't think so. Pepe price prediction. Bullish pennant pattern. A pennant pattern. with an 800% breakout potential. What? That basically means it's guaranteed to break out almost. Pepe trading volume has topped 1 billion. Pepe price prediction now is bullish. Yeah, it's bullish. Pepe price has been range bound for over a month while the broader market pushes higher. But a bullish pennant pattern now hints as a breakout on the horizon, fueling a renewed Pepe price prediction. Since early August, Pepe has dipped over 18%, yet continues to hold firm above key support, 401. 401 is the key Pepe support. I want it to go below 401, but then I could buy more. In the past 24 hours, trading volume has surged, spiking past 500 million. That's higher than Shiba Inu trading volume, I think. Shiba Inu is not even half that high. What? Pepe, the trend line is key to hold above for now. Strong zone at whatever, strong zone at 401. This volume surge aligns with historical patterns that previously drove the frog-themed meme coin to a massive 800% breakout. Oh, it had an 800% breakout in the past. I'm telling you, something is brewing. Jesus is really thinking something's happening with Pepe. Okay. Pepe is currently consolidating. I've been watching Pepe. I watch it every day because it's on I own it. And I really like it when the price comes down this low. Same as Shiba Inu. But we only have so much money to invest in. And I've been buying options for stocks too. Okay? So, sorry guys, we don't have good technology on this channel. The phone just keeps on falling over and over again. This chart shows a clear resistance band above 4023, which has capped multiple previous rally attempts. 4023. Okay. So, yes, with Pepe, that's one thing that I don't really like about it. It has not peaked very high. Its highest peak is at 4025. So, what's going to happen? We got to hit its previous peak before we can go higher than it. So, I mean, I really like where we're at now with Pepe. You see, every time it pulls down like this, it can shoot up very quickly. Okay, so it looks bad now, but historically, whenever it goes down like that, it'll start to recover and then shoot up. So, could shoot up and make a new record high. So, if we do make a new record high, though, how high is it going to go? Well, the market cap is 4 trillion. How high could the market cap go this cycle? Maybe it could go to 20, 25 trillion. That's only a 5x, 5 or 6x, in my opinion. But who knows? Who knows how high it could go? Who knows? You might be thinking that, like, oh, if the price goes up, if the price of Pepe doubles or triples, everybody's going to sell. But that's not necessarily true, because that's going to be at the point where it's hitting a previous record high. So after it doubles and triples, we could be looking to go up even higher. We got to go past 4025, though. Otherwise, we have to let it brew. That's right. That's like you have with any of your investments, okay? I told you guys to buy Evolve, EVLV. For over 2 years, I've been saying to buy this one. And just finally, it goes up. So something is brewing. It takes a long time. and it will skyrocket. Same thing that happened with Evolve is going to happen with this one, Pepe. It's going to do nothing to very little, and then it's going to shoot up. Look what happened to Pepe before. See how after it was going down right there, it just went, big move. We're moving down again. Every time it goes down, down here, shoots up. Down here, shoots up. Comes back down, shoots up. I would expect this to shoot up to this level at least. Could go, you know? We're gonna have a big breakout, a big Pepe breakout, and then we're gonna have a Pepe party. I'm gonna get a cake that says Pepe on it. I don't know. I'm gonna do something special. We gotta do something special for Pepe. It's very new compared to Shiba Inu. Yes, that's true. So the market cap should be lower than Shiba Inu. But man, we're getting no viewers now. Yeah.
That's also a little bit of a problem when you're using, or can we say abusing, male testosterone.
Nope, not today.
For many.
No work today. I was hoping to go live and get lots of viewers. But we're going to have to try again later. We're going to have to try another live later. This one ain't working. We're right in the main peak time, too. Should be getting lots of views. I think I made a mistake by... I paid $20 to pump up my videos, and all I did is get people from India that don't even watch it. So that destroyed the algorithm. I just spent my own money and it destroyed the algorithm. So now I don't know if I have to delete the last 200 subscribers that joined. We're back to basically we're screwed on the channel. We're basically screwed again.
Hi, my name is...
I destroyed my own algorithm. So I have no clue what to do. We're back to ground zero. Yeah. That's not good. Every single person that joined my channel as a result of my ad, they have their own channel. These aren't individuals. These are fake channels, I think, that YouTube owns the rights to. And they're not going to watch my videos if they're fake channels. YouTube probably owns these channels. So that's how they can subscribe me to them, because they own them. Who knows what they are, where they came from. I got to be working on the channel all day today, guys, to figure this out. I got to get going. Scratch my other plans for the whole rest of the weekend. I don't know how to show charts. I have OBS, but I have no idea. I'm not very computer literate. I have the OBS software, but I don't have the knowledge to know how to use it to show charts at the same time. It's also multiple issues with that. If I use this camera, I cannot use, it will not work. I've been trying to figure this out for 3 years, trust me, how to show charts. I've been trying to figure that out, but all right, I gotta go. I gotta be working on some stuff today. I got stuff to do.